It works. I wrapped this around. I wrapped my pollution monitor just around my air purifier, around my apno tube, and it fell down, even though it's actually really polluted here. See, over here. Have to do this again. 3.3. Wow, it was in the 30s. Well, let's have them get it out again here. Goes back up. All of them go up. Therefore, I kind of can conclude this takes down PM 2.5 by a factor of at least 10. Of course, 90. It's actually supposed to do it by 20, and this is not perfectly wrapped. But this is good enough. More is good enough. And notice it takes all of it down. This isn't even perfect wrap. Haven't already wrapped this around. 2.9, holy shit. Whoa, Pat, if it.